Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Here are the big takeaways as we enter into a very active weather week. Mild and breezy for Monday. We're talking highs once again in the low 60s. And then possible severe weather Tuesday. Not for everybody, but it's going to be one of those time frames, just like Friday, where you have to watch. Especially afternoon, evening, we could have some ingredients come together just right that some of the thunderstorms that form could produce severe weather or even a tornado. Then much colder with soaking rain chances ahead. Not one, but many rounds of rain as we go throughout the next week, along with high temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s. So it really is going to be a hit in terms of temperatures as we work throughout the next week. Here's satellite and radar. As we were talking about before, you can see that system sliding off to our north. It's going to keep most of the moisture close to that center of low pressure. So we're not really worrying about any rain tonight or tomorrow, but as it passes by, it's going to continue to kick the wind speed up. So that's why it's breezy tonight. That's why tomorrow we're going to continue to see a stiff wind at about 15 miles per hour out of the southwest and some gusts from time to time near 30 to 35 miles per hour. So just slightly less windy than what we experienced today. Lots of sunshine expected, especially south of Muskegon. Once you start to get north of Oceana County, cloud cover is a little bit more likely for Monday, but all in all, a pretty quiet day. Now again, overnight Monday into Tuesday, pretty warm. And then Tuesday starts dry. We could see a little bit of light rain early in the day, but we expect to see some sunshine break through. And then we expect that transition to shower and storm action, followed by heavy rain overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. So here's Monday. Let's just start there. Again, you can see the wind out of the southwest warming us up. Once we get to Monday night into Tuesday morning, a little bit of sprinkle action. But all in all, I think Tuesday we're going to see some sunshine break through, especially through that afternoon, evening time frame. And this is the window that we're watching. So you'll notice that there's this wind collision here. We've got warm air pumping in from the south, and we've got that surface spin with winds out of the east. And notice it's expected to be right around that I-94 region. So because of this, we do have a severe weather risk. Now, we're not in the highest risk level, but we still have some areas that are 2 out of 5. So it's mainly I-94 and south that has to watch for strong to severe weather in that narrow window of Tuesday afternoon to evening. So we'll be fully staffed here in the tracking center. We also just encourage you to have a way to get weather alerts, more than one way, and to be weather aware that day. Here's the temperatures, very cold the rest of the week. Stick around. We've got Ask Ellen next.